just bought this Skoda Octavia. Just realized that it has some issues that need to be addressed. Skoda is a very good car. It is one of my favorite cars. It is not a new car, it is an old one. This is a Skoda 2003. But it is very functional, it is still working very fine. So what I realized is that it has some engine light on. So I'll go on and diagnose it to see where the problem is. Now I have inserted the cable, the OBD, the diagnostic cable. So I'm going to diagnose and see whether I can see the problem. So I'll go on and start the car and see whether I can be able to delete that engine light and whether it is going to come back.
Through the highs and lows, you're always near. In your eyes, my path is clear. Every moment with you is a gift. With you, I feel uplifted. No matter where the journey takes us. In your love, I find my trust. With you, each day is a dream come true. With you, my sky
you
is
can see there
always
is
blue.
still the engine light on.
With every smile, with every beat.
So let me go on and diagnose.
With you, my world is so sweet. You make
Then
my
I'll
day
be able
complete. With every smile, with
determine
every
whether it
beat.
is going to
In your
be
arms, I find my peace.
fixable
With you,
or
my world is so
it needs to
sweet.
be manually look for the problem. Push on
Through the
enter.
highs and lows, you're always near. In your eyes, my path is clear. Every moment with you is a gift. With you,
Now
I
it is
feel
linked to the
uplifted.
car.
No matter where the journey takes us. In your love, I find my trust. With you, each day is a dream come true. With you, my sky is always blue. Make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat. In your arms, I find my peace. With you, my world is so sweet. You make my day complete. With every smile,
Yeah, now
with
you
every
can see
beat.
there
In
is
your
two
arms, I
code
find
down.
my peace. With you, my world is so
So it
sweet.
is asking me whether I need to erase the previous installed data, but I don't want to erase because maybe I may erase the codes.
Through the highs and lows, you're always near. In your eyes, my
So
path
I
is
will
clear.
choose no.
Every moment with you is a gift. With you, I feel uplifted. No matter where the journey takes us.
So it is asking me whether I need to read the codes.
Each day is a dream come
I
true.
want to read them, so
My
I
sky
push
is
on
always
enter.
blue. Make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat.
Stored
In your
codes,
arms, I
yes.
find my peace. With you, my world is so sweet. You make my day complete. With every smile, with every beat. In your arms, I find my peace. With you, my world is so sweet.
Now this one it is a little bit new for me. I have never encountered this kind of problem. It is because the system is narrow, so I don't know what it means exactly.
Every moment with you is a
So what I'm going to do, I will go and check for more information. Maybe I will check on what it means. So I'm not going to erase anything first. So it definitely seems that it is the only code which is here. So what I will do, I will go and check what this means. I can try to erase it. I can try to erase it and see whether the problem is going to disappear, but in this case I don't think it is going to disappear yet. So I'm going to choose on. So I'll go down and choose to delete codes. Let me delete the codes and see whether the light is going to disappear. But in this case I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether it is going to disappear.
With you, my world is so sweet. You
Click on
make my
enter.
day complete. With every smile,
It's
with
asking
every
me if you want to
beat.
delete
In
these
your
codes.
arms, I find my peace.
Yes.
With you, my world is so sweet.
missing. Yeah, and I can see automatically that the code is deleted. So let me drive the car for some time and see whether this code is good. It will come back. So if the code comes back, then definitely there is something wrong with the system and it needs further diagnosis. But if the code is not coming back, then I'm good, I'll be happy, and there will be no more diagnosis. So if you want more of this kind of videos, don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is John Ekero. Thank you for your time.